Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this Hunter original from, I believe, 1983. I don't know what the tag exactly said. I did change a few things on this original. The major thing being the brackets and blades. I traded my local friend who keeps buying fans from me for a set of antique brass half moons of cane blades. This fan used to have plain brass reverse air blades of cane. This didn't fit the fan. So it's now fully antique brass, 2-speed non-reversible, and it came with this like it. Like it's actually quite nice. Let's go ahead and get a shot of the tag for you guys. It should say 83 up there. My memory's not exactly correct because I got this thing like a week ago. So there's a light kit. I'm stepping on a stupid motor. Stepdad's not working in here, so we got motors and stuff all on the ground. So very nice light kit, very fitting for the fan. Let's go and turn it back off. The fan on low. Fan runs quiet. Came out of another person's house down here in Craigslist. It was in the kitchen area. The house had a whole bunch of other originals in it, but this is the only one they were getting rid of. So let's go ahead and go to high. Oh yeah, it's great air movement. Not surprising. But I don't think I'm not planning on keeping this one. I think this one will be probably good for sale. Maybe locally. I may sell on eBay, just eBay's a pain selling these bigger ones, especially glass. If I sell, I'm not going to sell the light kit with it. So, let's go ahead and turn it off. Got a little bit of kitchen grease on top of the motor, but besides that, runs and looks pretty good. Now if I do end up selling this on eBay, this fan is complete. Blades, screws, grommet, campy, everything you see here. One thing I might once again may not include is the light kit, just because shipping glass is always at risk of it breaking, and I'm not usually one for that. So. But as you can tell by spin down, she's been taking care of through most of her life. There we go. Thanks for watching.